Is it working?
It's working.
It is?
Let's see if she opens it. It's working, I think. Or she open it. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. Do you think she can fit?
I think she can fit through there.
Here, then I have to close it. This is so awesome. Does it work? It's gonna work. Come on.
Don't encourage her to go through there or else she will.
It works! It works! Now I can have my own room all to myself.
Yay!
See if she pushes. Yeah, just check it now first. Check it now first. Just check it out. Oh no. Okay, now she's just thinking about it. Thinking about it. Keep thinking. She's thinking. She's thinking. She's thinking. She's thinking how she can get through. She's thinking how she can get through this. She's saying, how can I get through this?
I think that's what she's thinking.
Can you get in here? Yeah. I don't think she can get in here.
Nope.
This is the best I am. I'm glad I have a gate now. It's all to myself. I'm going good. I don't think you can get through. This is awesome. You think you can get through here?
I don't know.
I don't think you can get through here. No. She's trying to. Sam, I'm going to try to open this door.